In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and shorten your Eventbrite event link. By the end, you'll have your event's shareable URL ready to send to guests, add to social posts, or drop into emails. We'll also create a shorter, cleaner version of that link so it looks professional and is easier for people to remember. First, head to the Eventbrite website and sign into your account. From your organizer dashboard, open your events list. If you manage multiple events, make sure you're looking at the specific event you want to share. You should see an options menu next to the event title, often shown as 3 small dots. Click those 3 dots to open the menu, then choose Copy URL. This copies the direct link to your event page to your clipboard instantly. To double-check that the link copied correctly, paste it somewhere you can see it clearly, like a Notes app or a browser address bar. Press Enter to load it and confirm it takes you to the right event page. If your event is set to private or invite only, remember that only people with the correct permissions will be able to view it, even with the link. For public events, anyone with the link can access the page. If you want a cleaner link to share, let's shorten it. Open a new tab and go to tinyurl.com. In the box that asks for a long URL, paste the Eventbrite link you just copied. If you see an option to customize the end of the link, you can type something short and relevant, like part of your event name or date. Keep it simple and avoid spaces or special characters. Then click the button to create your tiny URL. You'll get a short link instantly. Click to copy it and paste it somewhere safe so you can use it across your marketing. It's a good idea to keep both versions, the original Eventbrite link for your records and the shortened link for sharing. Before you send it out, open the short link in a new tab to confirm it correctly redirects to your Eventbrite page. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you update your event details in Eventbrite, your link usually stays the same, so you don't need a new short link unless you change to a completely different event page. When sharing on social media, the short link often looks cleaner and can help your post perform better. And if a custom alias on tinyurl is taken, try a short variation with numbers or abbreviations. That's it. You've copied your Eventbrite event link and created a polished short link that's ready to share.